What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I have another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. Yes, we are making some baked lemon and herb chicken, okay? And this is just jam-packed with flavor as always. This is just simply absolutely special. You have to make this so easy, takes no effort, and is sure to knock everyone off their feet. I'm letting you know. So without further ado, we're not about to waste no more time and get right on into it. So let's get started. All right, so we are gonna begin with 4 beautiful chicken quarters. And what I'm gonna do here is just grab my knife and we're gonna score this chicken just like so. And what that does, that allows our wonderful seasoning to really penetrate that meat and make this recipe even more awesome. And once you have that taken care of, we're gonna move on to the next step. We gotta season this bad boy up. On the screen, I have everything listed to do so. And guess what? It will be listed in the description box as well, just like always. So go ahead and get everything combined into a bowl. Give it a mix. So go ahead and season up that chicken. And this is pretty much our first post-Thanksgiving video, which is crazy. Let me know in the comments, how was your Thanksgiving? Was it amazing? What did you cook? Let me know in the comments below. Did you use any one of my recipes? You know, I got a ton of amazing turkey recipes. Come on now. So anyways, I'm just whoops. So anyways, I'm just transferring our chicken into a bowl, and I'm just gonna toss that wonderful seasoning right on top, just like so. And once I have it all in there, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it all in. I'm gonna make sure that seasoning is in every crack, crevice, and surface when it comes to this chicken right here. Okay, go ahead and just make sure everything is well coated. And once it is, we are gonna marinate this for about an hour in the refrigerator. I'm gonna toss on some saran wrap, toss it in the fridge for an hour like I said. But if you're in a rush, a time crunch, or whatever, you definitely can toss this straight into the oven, but it is recommended to let it marinate a little bit so, you know, all those flavors can become one with the chicken. So like I say, here I'm tossing our little saran wrap, boom, bada bam, and tossing it in the fridge. This is an hour later, taking that saran wrap off, and I'm tossing it into our baking tray. And at this point, I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That chicken is looking well seasoned, baby. Go ahead and get it into your pan just like so. And we're gonna then get this in the oven. We are also gonna toss on some lemon slices. Yo, when this chicken is done, those lemon slices are everything. Cause you could kind of like take a piece of chicken and you know, dab it onto that roasted lemon right there. You know what I'm saying? It adds extra pop of flavor that is so amazing. This is a must right here. You gotta have some lemon slices. So here we are, ready to toss this into the oven. And like I said, we're gonna let it go for about 40 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, uncovered, or until your temperature reads 165 internal. So here we are, our chicken is fresh out of the oven, and wow, that looks so good. Go ahead and grab you a spoon and kind of just baste your chicken just like so with that yummy, yummy sauce on the bottom of your pan. Look at that there. Come on now, you cannot tell me this does not look good. Go ahead and garnish with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to buzz down. This looks so good right here. And guess what? Guess what? Tastes even better. I would not lie to you, baby. All right, we are looking good, smelling good as always, and you know we about to dig in. Whew, this is just, I gotta give you a look at this right here. Look at that chicken, guys. Look at that chicken. The juices are flowing. I cannot wait to dig in, guys. Come on now. You know them thighs are my favorite, you know what I'm saying? I gotta take a slice into that first. All right now, cheers. Yo. Wow. That is so good. Yo, this is so delicious. Every single component is hitting right now. All those amazing seasonings, the rosemary, the lemon. The lemon is special, okay? Give you that little acidity, if you know what I mean. It just takes this up a notch. This is special. Shut the front door. Wow. Dip it in that little lemon right there. Poke it with that lemon. Hit that bit. Shout out to Grub Tank. Yo, yeah, that's it. This that juicy, loosey chicken, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm at a loss for words. So many amazing flavors right here in this dish. Yo, to put this together, it literally took nothing but, you know, a few minutes. You toss it in the oven, you pop it out, and you're ready to bust down. But wow, this is just, I don't even know what to say about it. It's just really good. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on an upload. You don't want to miss another one of these amazing videos. Hit me with a like so YouTube knows that you're loving the content. And I want you to come down in the comment box and let me know what you think about today's video, as well as what you want to see on the next one. Any recommendations, you know what I'm saying? I'm down for it. Let me know what you want to see, okay? So, like I said in the previous video, I am a realtor in the state of Florida. I'll drop my contact info down below if you're looking to buy, sell, rent, anything. When it comes to property, I'm your guy. Make sure to hit me up. I appreciate all you guys watching, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Deuces. Whew.